What's up, everyone? My name is Dora, and today I'm showing you how to make DIY labels. A label is very important for your product's overall appeal. It's the first thing anyone sees, and a great label will grab attention. I'm going to demonstrate a few different methods for making your own labels. First up is the P-Touch Cube, which is a compact thermal printer. There are many tapes to choose from, varying in size and color, ranging from 1/2 to 1 inch wide. Scan this code with your phone to open the app. One of the main features is that you can create and print labels from your phone. Open the app with your phone or computer. The app is very easy to use and it has tons of templates to choose from. Here's one I made, and I'm going to print it right now. Here are some example labels that I made. The Cube prints high resolution and quality labels. A negative aspect is that it only prints up to 1 inch wide labels. The Munbyn is a compact thermal label printer and it is very easy to use. You can design labels on websites like Canva, Design Hill, and Adobe, but I'm using Corel Photoshop. Design the label and save it. Open the label, choose the correct size, then print. I only ever need to print a few labels at a time, so this is extremely convenient. To print a different size, open the printer and adjust the sliders to fit the label. If your label prints off center, open the printer, center the label and the sliders, then try again. There are many sizes, colors, and shapes. This is just a few. Here are some label examples. I made 2 big labels with a shipping label. One of the main features of this printer is that it prints shipping labels. A negative aspect is that it doesn't have clear labels. I'm using a laser color printer. I use white or clear sticker paper, but I only ever need a few labels, so I cut the paper in half twice to make A6 size sheets. Open a document or PDF. I'm using Microsoft Word. If using a different size sheet other than standard letter, go to Print and select the size. Go back into the document and import your labels. Once they're aligned, print. Here are some label examples. You can also apply metallic foil when using a laser printer. Click the information icon for the video or wait until the end. The only negative aspect is that you can't print a single label at a time. You have to print a page. To cut shaped labels, you'll need a cutting machine like a Cameo. For the Cameo, open up the Silhouette Studio app. Okay, let me show you what this is about. I'm importing a rose I painted. Here I am tracing it. When I move the rose, you can see a red outline. If I send it to the Cameo, the red lines are where the Cameo will cut. Okay, so I made a few labels and now I'm going to print them. Now I'm going to trace them just like before with the rose. Load the cutting mat, then send it to the Cameo. This is the file that will be sent. Here are some label examples. If you're not into printing labels or if you're mass producing items, it may be easier just to order them. I ordered these 10 years ago for my candle business. I don't like any of them. I ordered these a few weeks ago along with my business cards and I do like them. Check out the description for helpful tips, notes, and the supply list at the bottom.